Hey guys, this is Miss Gwen from Mount Olive Shades Out of School Time, and I wanted to show you guys how to make this really cool paper heart, this origami heart. So what we're going to need in order to do this is a regular piece of paper. This is a computer sheet of paper. I'm using orange so it will be easy to see, but you can use white right off of your printer. You can use a piece of lined paper like what you use at school. It just needs to be a regular sheet of 8.5 by 11 paper. The first step in order to make our origami heart, that's going to look like this, is to make a triangle fold at the top. So I'm going to fold the top corner, the right hand corner down, and just line up the edges. Just like this. Then I'm going to unfold it, and then I'm going to fold the other corner down to make a triangle fold and line up the edges. So now then I have two creases. I'm going to unfold my paper, and I'm going to take where these creases are, and I'm going to push them in. And it's easier if you do this on the table. I'm going to push them in right on those crease folds. And I'm going to fold it down flat like this. And I'm just going to squish it. So now your paper should look like this. Now then, I'm going to take one of these little flap wings, and I'm going to fold it straight up in the center. And then take the other flap and fold it straight up into the center. Now it's easier if you rotate your paper, and then you're just going to fold the edge, the straight edge, to the center, like this. And we're going to rotate again, and we're going to fold this straight edge to the center. So it should look like this right now. When we have got to this part, we are going to fold the bottom part of this straight edge up to the middle. Just over, we want it to cover this little point right here. So just a little bit over the top of that. It doesn't matter how much. So I have folded my bottom edge up to cover this point, and so now it looks like this. When you've got it this far, what you will need to do is flip it over, and then you're going to take the flat part of the top part of this triangle, and you're going to fold it straight down to the middle. So it should look like this. You took the flat part and you folded it down, and now it looks like this. You've got these two little wings sticking up at the top. And you're going to fold the bottom corners up to the center. What you're going to do is take the bottom corner and just fold it to the middle. Take the other bottom corner and fold it up to the middle. So it should look like this. And then you're going to fold or tuck these corners that you just folded up to the middle into the little pockets that you've already made off of the triangles. See the little pocket right there? I'm just going to tuck this in. And on the other side, there's a little pocket. And I'm going to tuck this in. This is making the bottom part of your heart. Now then, what you will do is turn it towards you so that these flaps are going to fold down over what you've already made. So they're going to fold down over the top of the top part of your heart. And if you fold them at an angle, it will make the top part of your heart. So I'm going to take this flap, and instead of folding it straight down, I'm going to fold it at an angle. And this will make the other top part of your heart. Do you see your heart right there? And then on the back, you need to tuck these into that flap. So there's the flap, and I'm just going to bend it over and tuck it in, and bend it over and tuck it in. And that's it. That's how you make an origami heart. It may take you several times to practice to getting it the shape that you want, but this is how you can make an origami heart. Something to do at home that's fun using just a regular piece of paper. Thanks for joining us and for watching. And you can be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube.